Hey, did you know that tree hugging is a thing? Yes, I said hugging a tree. Right now, I'm outside, I'm in nature, and I'm literally hugging a tree because I recently learned that trees possess a unique energy, a life force that can be transferred to humans through physical contact. Tree hugging has helped people with medical issues such as anxiety, stress, depression, and people who are like healing from surgery. It helps you to stay grounded. It connects you with nature. So, if you are a person who are going through some things and you're stressed out, you feel anxious, go out in nature. Get close to a tree and hug it, okay? Hugging trees is a thing. Are you going to join the movement? Go ahead and hug a tree today. Hugging trees heals your heart, your mind, your body, and soul.